Taking a look at our schematic, our top rear rail goes all the way towards the top on the inside between the left and right side. We can dry fit this together on our project to see how it will be installed. We want to make sure that the pocket holes are facing the back of the project or facing what would be the wall, but we also want to install this 1/4 of an inch inside from the back edge of our project. And again, this will accommodate our 1/4 inch backing piece and give us something to nail to. And we can install 2 pocket screws. And with those screws installed, our top rear rail is done.